By Tracy Aiken. Are you looking for some dating suggestions to ease your way back into the single scene? Dating after your divorce can be daunting not only logistically, but likewise mentally. How will the kids react? How does a single individual dress and act? It's uncharted area, but it can be extremely gratifying to step outdoors your comfort zone. Dating as a single mom and dad is a whole different ballgame than it was prior to you had kids. These pointers can help you begin on the ideal foot. 1. Understand that you are entitled to have a life. It can sometimes seem like everybody has a viewpoint about whether you must date or not. If your kids are young, just think of how numerous years will be out of the dating scene prior to they leave house. If you feel prepared to date, there is no reason to wait on the ideal time or until the nest is empty. 2. Anticipate some resistance. Do not expect your kids to be satisfied when you initially start dating. It's a natural response. Sit down with them and acknowledge their feelings. Explain that you love them, however you also like to invest time with your buddies, much like they do. Not dating out of regret simply makes you a martyr. And as the adult, you get to make the choices and not your kids. When you're on a date, concentrate on your date. As a single mama, it's simple for your whole life to be covered up in your kids. But they shouldn't be the main subject of discussion throughout your date. Take some time to discover out about this brand new man, his interests, work, and pastimes. Doing otherwise can end up making your kids mad or envious. When it's time for the kids to fulfill this excellent brand new male, make it a casual meeting someplace aside from home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.